Welcome to our channel. If you're a home DIYer looking for the perfect tool to take on your next project, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the 5 best cordless electric drills that combine power, performance, and ease of use. Whether you're drilling into wood, metal, or drywall, these drills are designed to handle it all. Stay tuned as we break down their features, benefits, and why they're the top choices for DIY enthusiasts like you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started. 5th product on our list, LYUWO LW 9020 Cordless Drill. The LYUWO LW 9020 is a powerful and compact cordless drill, designed for both home and commercial use. With a lightweight build of just 0.825 kilograms, it's easy to handle, even during long tasks. Powered by a 21-volt rechargeable MT battery, this drill offers cordless convenience without sacrificing performance. It features a brushed motor and a maximum drilling diameter of 10 mm, making it suitable for wood, metal, and light masonry work. The pistol grip design adds comfort, while the electric screwdriver function boosts versatility. Ideal for DIYers and professionals, the LW 9020 combines power and portability. Plus, its impact function provides extra force when needed. Whether you're assembling furniture or drilling into tough surfaces, this tool delivers. If you need a reliable and customizable drill, the LYUWO LW 9020 is worth a serious look. 4th product on our list, DEKO Cordless Drill. The DEKO 20-volt cordless drill is a versatile and powerful tool for all your DIY needs. With 2 variable speeds, 0-350/0-1350 RPM, and 18+1 torque settings, this drill offers precise control, whether you're drilling into wood, metal, ceramics, or plastic. It comes with a 20-volt 1.5 Ah lithium-ion battery and a charger, so you're ready to get to work right away. The 2.5-pound compact design makes it easy to handle and carry, perfect for those long projects. The DEKO drill set includes everything you need: a drill, 10 bits, screwdriver attachments, a magnetic bit holder, and much more. It's an all-in-one solution, ideal for any DIYer or professional looking for a reliable and efficient tool. 3rd product on our list, Gisam Cordless Impact Drill. The Gisam 21-volt cordless impact drill is a powerful tool designed for home DIY projects. With an 18-volt rated voltage and brushed motor, this drill provides reliable performance for drilling into wood, metal, and more. Equipped with an impact drill function, it delivers extra power for tough tasks, while the maximum drilling diameter of 10 mm ensures versatility. The lithium-ion battery offers long-lasting power and quick recharging. At a lightweight design, this mini wireless hand drill is easy to handle, making it ideal for precise work in tight spaces. Whether you're assembling furniture or hanging shelves, this drill is perfect for everyday DIY tasks. For home users looking for efficiency and durability, the Gisam 21-volt cordless impact drill is an essential addition to your tool collection. 2nd product on our list, Makita DDF 487 Cordless Drill. The Makita DDF 487 18-volt cordless drill driver is a powerful and compact tool, perfect for home DIY enthusiasts. With a brushless motor and 400 watts rated power, it delivers high torque and smooth operation for all your drilling and driving needs. The 18-volt battery ensures long-lasting performance, while the variable speed feature, up to 1600 RPM, allows precise control. Whether you're drilling into wood, metal, or plastic, this drill can handle it all. Weighing just 1.1 kilograms, it's easy to handle and maneuver, even in tight spaces. The brushless motor reduces wear and increases efficiency, providing a longer tool lifespan. For reliability, power, and ease of use, the Makita DDF 487 is a great choice for any DIYer looking to tackle a wide variety of tasks around the home. 1st product on our list, Dewalt DCF 850 Cordless Screwdriver. The Dewalt DCF 850 Cordless Impact Screwdriver is a high-performance tool designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Powered by a 20-volt rechargeable battery, it offers the power needed to handle tough jobs with ease. With an impressive 205 Nm of rated torque, this impact screwdriver delivers powerful performance for driving screws, drilling, and other applications. Its brushless motor ensures maximum efficiency, reducing wear and increasing tool lifespan. The no-load speed of 3300 RPM allows for fast work, while its compact design, weighing only 1.5 kilograms, ensures easy maneuverability in tight spaces. Ideal for heavy-duty commercial tasks, this tool combines power with portability. Whether for construction or home use, The Dewalt DCF 850 is a must-have for anyone seeking a reliable, durable, and efficient power tool.